It's a game-changing moment for regional development as Zambia joins hands with Tanzania and Kenya to lay the foundation for a shared energy future. With $292 million allocated to Zambia's portion of the ZTK Interconnector, the government has committed to strict transparency and oversight. Acting Finance and National Planning Minister Chipoka Mlenga reassured the nation that every dollar will be accounted for.
The time has come when we implemented the words of the Honorable Minister of Energy, where it was not just business as usual. We have to work. This vision was birthed back in the 1960s. But many years have passed. Today is 2025. Let us implement it. It was revived back in 2014. I had Ken was listening to the representative from the World Bank. But the time has come now, we implement it. So our generation and the future generation are counting on us to making sure that we talk less and we implement more. On behalf of the Ministry of Finance, I want to assure you and the federal government that every resource that will be brought forward towards this, to the tune of $292 million, will be invested as intended.
Energy Minister Makozo Chikote praised the interconnector as a historic step forward, not only for Zambia's energy independence, but also for its regional leadership.
I stand before you today to launch the Zambia section of the Zambia-Tanzania-Kenya Interconnector Project. This is a milestone that reflects our commitment to strengthening the regional energy cooperation and advancing Zambia's role as a key player in Africa's energy future. This high voltage transmission line, initiated through a tripartite agreement between Zambia, Tanzania, and Kenya, will integrate our power system and create a unified grid, opening up opportunities for cross-border electricity trade. Very, very important. This is also crucial for ensuring energy security for Zambia and the region. No doubt.
Also in attendance was Tanzania's Commissioner for Electricity and Renewable Energy, Engineer Innocent Luoga, and Kenya's Deputy Head of Mission, Robert Kobia, who both emphasized the importance of strong partnerships in achieving regional energy goals.
The government of the Republic of Zambia achieving this remarkable milestone towards the realization of the long-awaited project. Honorable Minister, ladies and gentlemen, you know Tanzania is involving with Zambia in many projects. I can say this in any project. Apart from this Zambia-Tanzania-Kenya connector, but we have also Tazama pipeline, also natural gas pipeline. Today, I will speak on behalf of the Deputy Prime Minister.
This event marks a significant milestone in the long-standing collaboration between our three countries in enhancing regional electricity connectivity. The Principal Secretary for Energy Kenya was supposed to be in this meeting, but due to unavoidable circumstances, I was requested to represent the government today. As you are aware, ladies and gentlemen, in 2001, the government of Kenya, Tanzania, and Zambia agreed to interconnect their power systems by constructing approximately 2,200 kilometers of high-voltage transmission lines traversing the three countries. This was aimed at enhancing regional electricity connectivity by linking the Eastern Africa Power Pool to the South African Power Pool. The cooperation was formalized through the execution of the tripartite memorandum of understanding in 2003, which established the basic framework for the construction, operation, and maintenance of the Zambia-Tanzania-Kenya interconnector.
Once completed, the ZTK interconnector will not only stabilize power supply, but also open up new economic corridors and trade opportunities. For now, all eyes remain on execution and reassuring that this ambition project delivers its full potential. Blessed Nawachwa for Revelation News in Lusaka.